Morning YouTube, quick unboxing today. We've got the Trangia Billy Pot 2.5 litre and also the Trangia accessories plate 20 centimetres. Okay, let me just turn you around. Okay, my preferred cut kit when I'm out camping is the Trangia 27. So basically what we have here, we have the 2.5 litre billy pot and the 20 centimetre aluminium plate. So let's get unboxing. Right, so I've already had this out of the box to be fair once, but just make sure everything's alright. So here we have the 2.5 litre billy pot. Got a bail arm on it which is lockable, which is great. And it's quite stiff as well, so you can get it out of your way while you're stirring. So yeah, pretty good. So it locks up, excellent. And this is the Trangia 27, fits very nicely inside, and the lid fits on. So that's great. What does it weigh? Oh, it's quite heavy. You won't want to be backpacking in it. Okay for car camping or motorcycle camping, but pretty heavy for your backpacking. Okay, but it does fit perfectly well. That's great. Okay, so next up we have the Trangia aluminium plate 20 centimetres, weighing in at 90 grams it says. So again, I have had it out just to make sure it wasn't dented or anything. Trangia. So, and that, I believe, yeah, just nestles in nicely. So banging. Can't wait to use it. See you soon. Bye.